Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Nikon Coolpix L820. I got this camera at Radio Shack for about $208. The full retail price of this camera is $280. So I think that I got a great deal by purchasing this camera at Radio Shack. So let's go ahead and look at the box. Let's see what's in this box. We have this paper talking about warranty programs. We have the Nikon installation CD, the Nikon reference manual CD, the quick start guide, let's do the camera last. Here is the neck strap slash carrying strap. Here's the micro USB cable. Our basic AV cable. The lens cap. And your batteries will be in this box and here, but my batteries are not in here because I used up all the juice. Okay, so let's go ahead and the batteries will be 4 AA batteries. This is a very nice camera. Okay. You can see right here we have this button to manually raise the flash. Here's our power on, power off button. Here is the wheel. You can turn it left to zoom out and right to zoom in. You can also use this to do the same thing. Right here is the AV out and HDMI ports. At the bottom we have the tripod connector. An SD card and an adapter are not included, unfortunately. They are sold separately. The SD card and adapter will go in here along with the 4 AA batteries. Right here you have your record button, you have the scene button, you can view your media files, flash, self-timer, macro mode, exposure compensation, the menu button, and the trash button. Okay. This camera allows you to record for about 36 seconds, and it lets you capture about 8 photos without an SD card. So it's best that you invest into purchasing an SD card. Okay. My favorite feature on this camera is macro mode. It is a mode that allows you to get very close to objects so they appear greatly enlarged on your camera. Most compact cameras have a macro feature with an icon of a flower to designate it. This feature is great if you want to get real close up to capture something, and also when recording video. For example, if you like taking pictures of flowers, or if you do tech reviews on apps, you might want to activate this very cool feature on this camera. If you wanted to activate this feature, you need to turn the camera on, and you will tap the flower and just enable it. Okay? I'm not sure exactly when I would do a review of this camera, so be sure to stay tuned for that video if you are interested. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video.